Today we're going to introduce you to the desktop and a little bit of operating system stuff for Windows 7. Um, First thing I want to talk about is that I'm on my laptop at home. I'm not on the school computer. So what I see and what you see are going to be two different things. But the first place that you come to when you log onto a computer, this is called a desktop. Okay, this is the welcome screen. This is where you would click on a program to get started. Okay, so this is called the desktop. All of these here are shortcuts to different programs. Okay, and if you click on the start button down in the left hand corner and you're looking for a program that's not on the desktop, you would go to all programs. And then you would go to Windows, Microsoft Office, because that's the type of programs that we're going to be working with. And then you don't have all these options, I don't believe, but there's Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, Word, Publisher, PowerPoint. Okay, and then you could just open up the program of your choice. So that's one way to open up a program if there isn't a shortcut on your desktop. Okay, the next thing I want to come to here on the start button is this computer. So click on computer. When you get to computer, you have two lists. You have a section over here on the right, which kind of gives you the letters of the network drives or the hard drives. And then it gives you a list format here. Okay, so what we're going to go over, yours again is going to look different. You may or may not have hard drives depending on if you have a flash drive plugged into the computer, which you probably won't. And then you will have a D drive or some sort of a CD or DVD drive. And then instead of an other, you will have a network drive, and you're going to have an H drive there. Okay, so like this F, you're going to have an H drive, and it's going to have your name on it. That's where you're going to save all of your work. Okay, so right now I'm going to X out of this, and I'm going to go to a Word document. This is just a blank Word document, and we're going to go over how to save this document. So save is found in the File menu. If you've never saved a document before, you're going to have to hit Save As. If you hit Save and you've never saved it before, it will still open up the Save As dialog box. Okay, so now you always want to name your files. You're always going to name your files P7 for period 7. What this document is, and I'm just going to put Windows intro, okay? And then you're going to always put your last name, all right? You can space in between, okay? You can do an underscore if you choose. Okay, something so that I know who you are, what the assignment is, and then what period. Okay, so then you're going to go down here, and you always have to do this. You always have to choose your H drive. So you click on your H drive, and yes, I know this is an F drive, and then you're going to find the folder. You should have a Computer 8 folder. If you don't, we're going to do that now. You're going to click New Folder. We're going to type Computer 8. You're going to open the folder, click it twice, and then you're going to do another new folder. The first section of this course is going to be Word. So you're going to create a Word folder. You open that up, hit it twice, and now you hit it one more time to save it. So now up here at the top, which you can't see right now, it does say Windows Intro Salee. Okay, so what we've gone over today is we've gone over the start button, some things you can do with the start button at school. We've gone over computer, so start button. We've gone over computer, and that's how to get to locations in your computer. And we've also gone over how to open a program that isn't on the desktop. And then lastly, we have gone over what the desktop is, and which is the welcome screen, a place to get into your computer. Okay, and I have a beautiful picture of my family. All right, this is it for this video. I hope you've learned something, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.